Bore da, mae ni yn Wrexham bore yma i dathlu'r gwasanaeth newydd o Wrexham i Lerpwl. Byddsoddi 5 biliwn o bunnau ar y gwasanaeth newydd hyn iddi, ond hefyd dros Cymru i gwella'r trafniddiaeth Cymru i Cymru. Ni'n edrych i datblygu dros 200 o gwasanaethau newydd bob wythnos o fan hyn yn Wrexham lan i Lerpwl.
This is hugely important for a number of reasons. Symbolically, linking North Wales with the North West is hugely important because it's a functional economy that is vital for the UK. And then in terms of the actual services that are going to be provided, this is the first major step in what is a £5 billion journey and Transport for Wales. As new services between North Wales and Liverpool will help give people an alternative to the private vehicle when getting to and from work and to and from leisure facilities.
Well, it's a really good morning, a really good day. The start of a new chapter, the first timetable change. First services in 40 years from Wales into Liverpool. First service in the same time across the Halton Curve. It's a really good day. So we've got an ambition to transform the rail network over the next 15 years, investing £5 billion, uplifting capacity by 65%, and having a completely new fleet of trains within 4 to 5 years, really to transform the travelling experience for our customers right across Wales and Borders area.